can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. Kusama is up 84% in the last 24 hours. We've seen Kusama rally above $45. The last 1 week has seen it rally up by 108%. In the last 1 month, Kusama is up 152%. How high can we go in the coming days and coming weeks? We take a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, Kusama's performance against Ethereum, and finally, we'll take a peek at Kusama's market cap, which has gotten to new yearly highs, that's rallied to as high as $700 million. Can we pump to new all-time highs? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to become a member, link in the description. Let's get down to business. Huge pumps in the altcoin market. The altcoin market has been seeing double-digit gains across board over the last 1 week, triple-digit gains over the last 1 month. We're officially in altcoin season. Altcoin season is when altcoins are performing Bitcoin. And right now, all coins are performing Bitcoin. Kusama is leading the charge. Kusama is trading around $45 with a market cap increase to around $700 million. We have seen more than a 2,000% increase in 24-hour trading volume. Kusama's trading volume has crossed the $1 billion level. We have seen more volume than its market cap. The all-time high happened for Kusama on the 18th of May 2021. It was trading for $623. Right now, it's down 93%. From that all-time highs. You want to get some Kusama tokens for yourself, can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on BitGet, on Kraken. And guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Kusama tokens right there. Kusama is pumping, Polkadot is pumping. Kusama describes itself as Polkadot's wild cousin. Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide massive interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, and Kusama has rallied to as high as $45. The highest we have seen it trade in 2024. In March, we saw it trading at the $64 level. But we got rejected at that $64 level, so our target will still be that $64 level. We've seen Kusama get rejected there multiple times. I will not be shocked if we get rejected there one more time. But if we can blast above it, guys, there might be clear skies. If we can blast above it, there's still a lot of resistance along the way. But knowing how volatile altcoins can be in Altseason, you will not be shocked to see Kusama continue this aggressive rally. If we blast above that $64 level, we might still get rejected around the $200 level. But that will require Kusama to still give us another 382% pump to the upside. The altcoin market is very volatile, guys, very volatile. But when these altcoins start pumping, they can pump aggressively to the moon. If you take a look at what Kusama did in the previous bull market, $1,000 invested in it would have returned more than $600,000 by the end of the bull market. And even though it felt really hard in the bear market, it fell down 90+%. That's a normal occurrence in the bear market. Volatility for altcoins, guys, is the future. It's not a bug. When they start pumping, they can pump aggressively to the moon. So Polkadot can continue pumping. I will expect Kusama to continue pumping. For Kusama to get to new all-time highs, for us to rally above $600, something crazy needs to happen, something magical needs to happen, because Kusama will need to give us one of those 1,000% pumps to the upside. This extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market right now, guys, extreme greed has always been a good time to sell for some sweet profit. If you bought when we were deep down in the bear market during extreme fear, the higher we go in the market, the higher the pumps go, the more you want to take some profits off the table. Your number one job is to make some money in this market. Good times in the market don't last forever. Good times are going to come, bad times are going to come. It's during the good times you can protect yourself. It's during the good times you can get ready for the bad times, the bear market, where you see altcoins going 90% from where they are currently trading. Take a look at what Kusama has done in its first full crypto bear market against Bitcoin. It has dumped to Goblin Town. When market participants are scared, they run towards safety. Safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And during the bear market, we saw Kusama losing so much value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we expect a big pump to the upside. That big pump has already started. We're already officially in altcoin season. I'll not be shocked to see Kusama give us an additional 200 to a 300% pump to the upside. Against Ethereum, similar price action. Kusama had a huge pump in 2021, but since then, it has lost so much value. Market participants were selling their Kusama back into Ethereum at a loss. And at the bottom of the bear market, we saw it dump 98% against Ethereum. The last 2 weeks I've seen it pump to higher values. I expect that pump to continue, but nothing crazy like new all-time highs just outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Anytime we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're getting to the end of the rally, so we need to pay attention to the chart. We need to pay attention to important resistance level. And for Kusama, we've seen the market cap get to new cycle highs. The previous resistance level was that $500 million level. But right now, more Kusama tokens are in circulation because Kusama has a total supply of 15 million tokens. And in the previous bull market, all the tokens were not in circulation. Right now, all the tokens are in circulation. Kusama's market cap has gotten to as high as $700 million. The next important resistance level for Kusama's market cap will be coming around the $1.7 billion level. So we might see it continue pumping, and that pump might be aggressive. A lot of people will be shorting the market, thinking these altcoins deserve to go to the ground. They'll be adding more fuel to the fire. A 143% pump will see Kusama get to the $1.7 billion level. And if Kusama wants to attempt to get to new all-time highs on his market cap chart, we need to see a 600% pump to the upside. But a 600% pump to the upside will not see Kusama's price getting to new all-time highs. A 600% pump to the upside will see Kusama's price getting to as high as the $315 level. Will you be selling for some sweet profit, guys, at that region? What's your own exit target for Kusama? How high do you think it should go? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.